Welcome to Literature by Arika. Today I'll start with another poem by Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. I'll start with the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that passing there had warned them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that was made all the difference. And the writer's introduction is in my previous video, and link is in the bio. You can have a look at it. Now the introduction of the poem. It's a poem by Robert Frost and published in 1916. It's fall time and leaves are turning colors. He's unsure which way to go and wishes he could go both ways. He looks down one path as far as he can see, but then he decides to take which is not quite as worn as the other one. But really, the paths are about the same, and the fallen leaves on both look pretty fresh. And that's the introduction. Now I'll start with the summary of poem. In this poem, the speaker reflects on how he plans to take the road that he didn't take another day, but suspects that he probably won't ever come back. Instead, far off in the future, he'll be talking how his decision was final and life changing. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and the speaker is torn between which road is the best choice. Still, the speaker is analyzing his decision. He chose the road of non-conforming, as he is a non-conformist, and traveled alone. And now he decides to travel alone and choose that path which nobody has taken till now. Yet the road he took held distractions. Clearly, the speaker should be happy about the road he took, but he is still thinking about the road he didn't took. The speaker is wondering what the other road would have held for him. In fact, he states that he will be telling this story with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. There are some sadness he chose between the two roads, and that's how the poem ends. And some additional information that the poem is dramatic. According to critics, this poem refers to the volunteers who took part in the World War. It led to too many different routes and couldn't come back. The choice affected them and made the difference. Perspective is more different to the choices we make. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.